Okay, new month, new money. Everything that happened in September, hey, let it stay in September. All right, we're in October now. Look, and it's Q4. Y'all, it's time to get serious. We got to finish this entire year strong, man. Look back at your 2025. You know, what were you? Are you up? Are you positive? Are you negative? All that can change in Q4, right? It's time to lock in, y'all. And I'm just being real with y'all. It's a new month, new money, new quarter. Man, October is going to be great. How do I know? Because I'm tired of the games, me personally. It's time to lock in, y'all. Like, we starting to build a solid team, and we're really on to something. We're really on to something. And I'm gonna break a few things down. I try not to take long and get all long-winded. I just need y'all to lock in for me. This month in October, I need y'all P&Ls to be increasing almost every single day. I'm tired of, I don't want people having red days. I'm tired of it all. Now, how do we eliminate that? By having structure. Structure. Do you have a weekly game plan? You know, it's certain things like you got to have in place to keep you locked in. Stop being that trader that's always looking for a quick fix and looking for a day trade. If y'all notice, the trades I've been calling out, we've been getting monthlies on it, right? Because my guy at Empowerment Assets, Cardave, like we call him Money Man in the crew, he really been helping out with the scalps and the day trades. But guess what? I want you to keep something in mind. He got the capital, right, to do the trade, day trade. So in other words, this is just the day trade part of it. The little scalps he give y'all, that's just a little piece of his assets, a little piece of the money that he has, right? So I say all that to say, don't be sizing up on day trades. We're not doing it in October. No, not at jsmithtrades.com. We're not playing no games in October. Okay? So back to structure. I want you all to start focusing on swing trades. Build your account up to the point you can do day trades every day. Right? Now, I don't know what's in everybody's pockets, but I know most people aren't successful at trading over time because guess what? They're looking for the quick fix. This is gambling. Day trades, that's just little money, you compound here, compound there, and that's cool. That's cool. You make 1,000% or 500%. That's beautiful. But at the end of the day, are you improving on your P&L? At the end of the day, right? For example, let me see if I got it in here. Like, let me see. Yeah, right here. So my portfolio was up 20% profit today. Yesterday, portfolio up 20% profit. You see what I'm saying? I focus on compounding, right? Even if I day trade, it's a very small percentage of my account that I'm risking. Very small. You see us post day trades and stuff. You trying to bet the house on it. That's the most dumbest thing you can do. Like I said, this month in October, lock in, have structure, focus on high probability setups. What's a high probability setup for me? Squeeze plays. I love squeeze plays. J&J alone made me 180% profit in 2 days. See, the problem is you don't understand structure. You don't understand the squeeze. And that's what I've been trying to teach y'all. Squeeze setups, that's my go-to. If all my chips get down, guess what? I can come right back to squeeze trades. Short squeeze trades, right? If I get a power candle, a buy signal here in a daily squeeze, oh, it's over with. Let's go. I'm knocking out some of these price targets. So I'm going to come out with at least 30% profit, and then my runner's going to run and do the 100%, 200%, so on and so forth. right? Like I said, if all my chips get down, I have a strategy that I can lock in on and make everything back plus more, right? Another one that I love to do, another setup. I called this out in the group, right? I bet a lot of y'all slept on. I think we got in probably back here somewhere. Yeah, price went up and down, up and down. Cool. I still held. Now I'm up 35% profit on it. But most of y'all can't even hold a contract for a day. Man, it blows my mind. Some of y'all can't even hold a contract for a day. How do I know? Because a lot of people hitting me up. You still in the trade? You still in, are you serious? Yes, I'm still in there. Did it hit my stop loss? No, it did. My stop loss way down here, and I got 10-7. I got October 17th. So while everybody was sitting there crying and complaining, I added a few more. Right? Now, I don't recommend averaging down and all that, but I knew my portfolio. I'm like, okay, I can handle, I can handle some more contracts. You know what I'm saying? So size then boom, popped out. Now the breakout just now starting. We get up here, that should be 250% profit, then 800% profit. Guess how much these contracts cost when we got them? $25 per contract. So 0.25. Now it's running. Now we running. And now people probably panicking trying to chase this trade now. But I caught it out like back here. That's my trigger level. So like I said, I don't want to stay on this stuff long. I'm so passionate right now because I want you all to lock in for October. We need to be compounding these accounts, man. Seriously. This day trades should be your last resort. Now, I know in the beginning when we started the group and all that, I was posting a lot of day trades. I was posting swing trade because guess what? I had to keep the momentum going. But now I have, people in place that's helping me. They love what I'm doing. Shout out Brittany Carr and my boy Carr Dave at Empowerment Investments. Assets, he's doing his thing, man. Both of them are doing their thing, and they helping out. They love the people like I do. They want to see you all grow. So take advantage of that. We're really here. We're genuinely here to help y'all. And we're genuinely here to take y'all to another level in this trade. Right? So ED is my other one. Like, I love setups like this. Basically, fell 2 down a month. Right? We got a breakout. Another key thing that I noticed is when we sweep the quarter, the low on the quarter and the low on the month, you tend to get a move back up hard. That's why I wasn't tripping. When it pulled back a little bit, you think I was jumping out my trade? No, I stayed in. I was chilling. This is my next one. And some I did notice, I'm not gonna lie. Man, I hate when that happens. Some I did notice is on my 4-hour. To those who have the power candles. Boom. Yeah, it went crazy today, but guess what? Some people look at this like, oh, that move done. Are you kidding me? We got a fail 2 month. Guess what? We're going into October. Guess what we have here? Fail 2 down month. We can do a 2-2 reversal to the upside. For those who know the strat. Okay? Fail 2 down, 2 up reversal on a month. We can take off, go to 91.7, then 94.44. That's the previous month high. So yeah, I know a new month is coming, but you still can set your levels. Right? So this will be our entry. Boom. 2-2 rev. Bam. We get up there. I believe that was over 100% on some October 17th. And that's what I want you. That's another key. Get a month out. Get monthlies. That's going to keep you safe. That's going to keep you from selling your contracts too early, because guess what happens on day trades, right? They will pull price back just enough on those weekly contracts and stuff like that. They'll pull it back just enough for you to sell. Because as soon as you get in, boom, you're down. Then you go down to about negative 30%. You're like, I gotta go. You get out, boom. It stock reverses, turn around, go to the direction you intended for it to go. Boom. That same contracts you bought went to about 500% profit. Now you sick. And now you're looking for the next trade. Now you're acting like a crackhead trying to find the next trade, losing your mind over there. That's why I said the swing trades and getting monthlies will help you mentally. That's why I slowed it down for people, because I need to see more people, like traders P and L increasing. I don't care about them big gains. Yeah, the big gains are cute and all that, but look, you over time they're gonna start draining that money away. If you continue to day trade and you sizing up, they're gonna crush you. I'm telling you, we've all been through it. I told Brittany Carr a long time ago, and I told her what to look out for. Look on this one. This probably more than likely runners. I bet you is runners, because she's up 20% on her account today too. We don't play that over here. We want to see people compound. She did 1,900% profit. Good Lord. Boy. My boy Empowerment Assets, he ain't playing. 30%. I mean, we not playing around in the group, man. I'm trying to get to something. I was hoping. Hold on. Okay, that's when Meta gave me that. But yeah, y'all, I'm telling y'all. Oh, here it is. So 20% on the day. That's how we compound portfolios. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of these traders online, they do the whole, oh, I'm up 1,000% here. Is your portfolio up? That's my question. It's time to build and stop playing. Only a small percentage of your account should be going towards day trades. A small percentage. Everything else, man, you can size up. Especially squeeze plays. Oh, short squeeze plays. Look, price has to continue to move. It's too much consolidation. It's breaking out. This is simple. This is simple to me. I've been doing it for years. For years. TJX paying, all these paying. They paying. Up 45% on SPG. Yeah, the gains may not be beautiful at first, but guess what? You give it time. They start to break out and start taking out these levels. Boom. That's when you start to see the 200%, 300% going crazy. I'm telling y'all, man, I made this video because I want y'all to get focused, man. Look, I told you we compound portfolios over here. My guy up 20% on the day. He's focused on building brick by brick. Right? This how we moving over here, man. Yeah, I call that gold too. So look, I want my people building, man. Look what I tell them. This was a trade I did from yesterday. We got the 10-17s. We're compounding. 30% profit. Take off 4/5 of your position. So 80% of your position. Or some people do, 3/4 of their position. Take the contracts off. Let the runners run. Compound the account. My guy here be using the power candles like crazy. Killing IWM every day. Look. Whoo. Y'all got me fired up, man. Cause I want y'all to win so bad, man. Y'all just don't know. Okay. So these are, we're in some of these. These are 2 new tickers that popped up on my scan. Have a plan, like I said. So I got the buy signal. I should have been in today. Oh, well. I still got time. Look, 10-17, right? October 1st is tomorrow. You have time. Set a stop loss. If it don't hit your stop loss, don't leave. That's a swing low right there. Boom. You set your stop loss there. You got, 2-3 weeks for it to play out. Don't get out of the contract if it pulled back a little bit. Don't be a crybaby in this, man. Size up accordingly. Don't put your whole account on one trade, because over time, look, you stick to structure, you stick to a certain setup, it's going to pay you over and over and over again. Y'all, let's get it. Let's lock in for October.